all, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day or evening, and today I am going to be doing a first impressions and tutorial using the beautiful Hauntingly Glamorous palette from formerly Alien Cosmetics, and they are rebranded to Unearthly Cosmetics. And this is what the inside of the palette looks like. It is an absolutely gorgeous, dark, spooky, but rainbow color story, and I'm living for it. I definitely can't wait to play with this. This is in collaboration with Sydney Nicole, of course, Sydney Squad A. She is such a talented, fun, like special effects and gorgeous glam makeup artist. I follow her on Instagram and YouTube and everywhere. Really excited to go ahead and play with this palette and create a fun, unique little look. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned, keep on watching. Okay guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is, I already primed my eyes, by the way. I use my GlamLite eye primer, Eye-cing. So first I'm gonna go in with the shade Drop Dead Gorgeous, this beautiful dark plum, sort of burgundy plum color, and this is a matte shade and it has a cute little ghost imprint in it, which I love all the cute little imprints in this palette. But I'm gonna go in with that shade and put it on the outer part of my crease. It's really cute. I'm really enjoying that shade. You guys know I already love the berry shades. I live for it, die for it. Super cute. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Blood Curdling, which is this gorgeous, I guess it's like a muted mint color. It's a little bit darker than a mint, but I just really love the way that looks. Something about it's still grungy, even though it's like a light color. I'm gonna put that in the inner part of my crease. The shade is absolutely stunning. I actually don't think I have a shade like this in my collection. It's just such a unique shade. It's kind of like a money color, but like a little bit more blue tone. I'm obsessed. I love the way this looks, especially with the berry. Nice contrast. Making sure I blend that together so there's no harsh lines. This palette's so pigmented. It's amazing, and it's blending just so seamlessly. I love it. It's like effortless. Oh, that's cute. Cotton candy vibes. Next, I'm going to go on the lid with the shade Glamgoul, and this is a shimmery matte. It's a nice like chartreusey shimmery cute little vibe going on. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Look how gorgeous this is, and so vibrant and just super colorful. I am living for this look. I can't wait to just see this final look, just when everything just comes together. Let's see, I want to do something with the lower lash line. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the shade Unhappy Darling. It's this really dark eggplant purpley color, and that imprint is a tombstone. Super cute and spooky. I'm gonna put that along my lower lash line. Oh, that is so cute, and it kind of like brings like a little bit of grunge to this really colorful look that I've created. I'm going to do my inner corner. I'm going to do the shade Lily, which is this gorgeous iridescent-y shimmer shade in the palette, and I think it has like a shift to it. I'm not exactly sure what it shifts to, but it looks really gorgeous. I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. That is fucking stunning. I think it's like a bluish green that it leans into. It's just absolutely stunning. It really is. I could put this everywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh. Guys, this is just I'm speechless. This is just a different type of unique like combination of colors, and just that gorgeous lily shimmer shade in the inner corner that just completely brought the look together. I am absolutely in love. I'm going to go off camera and finish this look. I'll be right back with the final transformation. Okay guys, I am back with the final look. I can't even describe how fucking gorgeous this turned out. I am just so impressed by just the quality and color story and just formula of this eyeshadow and this palette, and just the versatile color story and looks that you can create with this. And just, I am living for it the way that this looks. Love the colors. I love how everything blended together. I just like the color combination as a whole. I will definitely be using the shit out of this palette. A little bit of details about my final look. I used the new Glamgoul Boutique Living Dead Ghoul lashes that came in the mail a few weeks ago. I'm living for these. This is my first time trying these out. These are definitely on my top list right now because I'm obsessed with these lashes. They're just beautiful and really pretty and fluttery, and I love it. For my lips, I use the Kaleidos lip clay in the shade Queen of the Night, and I think it just tied the look together really well as far as just creating more of like a grungy, dark, spooky vibe to this bright eye look. I just think it looks absolutely gorgeous with this look, and I had to use it. And for my eye pencil, I used the NYX Epic Wear liner in the shade Turquoise Storm. I thought the blue kind of minty turquoise vibes from this look would tie in together definitely with this eyeliner, so I'm glad that I picked that out. It just looks absolutely stunning, and I'm really feeling myself right now. It's just so cute. I'm really obsessed with it. I can absolutely say I love this freaking palette, and I can't wait to do more looks with this. Oh guys, look at it. Sydney did such a great job with Unearthly Cosmetics doing this color story. I know it wasn't like a new palette. It came out around, I think, Halloween time, but you know what? It's Halloween all year, as I always say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing me play with this palette. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, week, evening, morning. I hope everyone has happy holidays with their family and has a lot of fun. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.